Wade McNutt here with Piano Chops. We're going to show you 5 different chords with the C major triad. But what? How can you play 5 different chords with one chord? Well, let me show you, grasshopper. Here we go. C major triad, all we got to have here in this hand, what we're going to do is use our bass notes to create other chords. So, if you're playing just C with the bass note, you're playing a C major triad. Bing! That's one chord, all right? What if I move down to A? Well, now we're playing an A minor 7 chord because C major is the top part of that chord. Don't let it make your brain explode. All right, what if I moved my bass note down to F? What we have now is an F major 9 chord, because here's the 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. See what's going on here? The bass note changes what the top chord is doing. We're still playing just C again. All right, let's do another chord. Let's put B flat in the bass. Now we're getting really jazzy here. But what we have is a very big chord. It's a 13th chord. They call it a 13 sharp 11. And it's best to always is to also have this note in here. But you don't have to. You don't have to. You can just leave it like this. And now we've just played another chord by moving our bass note. We have a 13 sharp 11 chord. I'm going to count it up real quick so that your head doesn't explode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This would be our 11 in the key of B flat, but we sharped it. And then 12, 13. So we're playing the top part of that chord, and that's a very good way to play chords in a more advanced way. All right, that's 4. Let's do one more chord. Can we do it? Yes, we can. We're going to move our bass note to D. And this is something you're going to hear Earth, Wind, and Fire, certain groups like that. They love those chords. So what we have is a D11. It's in a D11 chord. How cool is it? So what we have in the key of D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have that flatted 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 5 different chords by not moving this C at all. So let me play them all together now. How sweet is that? Hope you all enjoyed that lesson, and hope it did make your brain explode, because that is some deeper theory stuff. But now you can play 5 different chords with just a C major chord and make your friends confused. Hope you enjoyed that. Lots of other great resources, free stuff to help you learn to play piano and play by ear. You'll have a great day. Bye-bye. Hey, everybody, it's Wade McNutt. I have a free PDF that I want to give you. It's all about playing by ear and all the different things I've learned that goes into it. So all you got to do is click below the video, and there's a link that'll say something about PDF playing by ear, and what it'll do is sign you up for the newsletter. So all it costs you is an email address, and then I'll send that right over to you.